if I were to plug a number into this x, what happens to the x first? Okay, so think about these letters right here. We have the A letter and the B letter, and there's the H letter and the K letter. You guys remember those?
Yeah.
Okay, if I was to, see, this is a square root function. If I were to draw a square root function with the A, B, H, and K in it, this is how you would draw it. You would put the A there, then you do square root, and this is the crazy part. You put the B, and then inside the parentheses, you have X, and then the K, or the H. Let's see, H, and then the K is on the outside. Now, this is the really confusing part, guys, and if you get this, then everything is going to be smooth sailing. This B, most of the time, is not factored out like this. Most of the time, the B is inside with the X and the H. But you don't see this. You don't see the B and the H together like that. But you have to know. You have to know that the B and the H are together like that. Okay, right here, is there a B? No, there's no B. It's a 1. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay, this H is what it is. Now, what's going to happen to the number, to the X first? What's going to do something to the X first? Is it going to be the A, the negative on the outside? There's no B. Is it going to be the H or is it going to be the K? What happens first?
A.
The H. It always goes in this order. Check the B, then check the H, then check the A, and then last one, K. Always this order. Okay? So you can say, Bach! Okay? And like, what do I do? Bach! All right? That's how you remember. All right? Okay, so don't let me lose you guys, all right? Now, look at this guy. There's no B. Okay? We check the B, no B. Okay? So we have our mother function. Goes like this. That is a square root function. There's no B. Okay. What about the H? What's the H? I see a positive 3 right there. What's that positive 3 do to the graph? Does it shift it? It shifts it where? Left. How many? Okay, so I go 1, 2, 3, and I put my function. Still with me?
Yeah.
What do we check next? We check the B first, no B. We check the H next, and then what do we check? A, right? Bach. Okay, so there's an A. It's a negative. What does the negative do? Here, I got to write this down. We went left 3, and then what does this A do? It's a negative 1. What does it do? Flips what? Flips Y values. It's going to flip the Y values, or it's going to flip the X values. So if I flip the Y values, you guys know what it looks like? It goes down.
Yeah.
Okay? You switch the Y values. The positives become negatives, negatives become positives. Okay, last one. Is there a K? Back.
Yeah.
Yes, there's a K. Do you guys know what this minus 5 is going to do?
Move down.
Move down how many?
5.
So we go over to negative 3. You have to go down to negative 5. So we put that there, and then booyah. That's what we're looking for, guys. We're looking for this graph. Hold on. Guys, see it?
Yeah.
Which one is it? Is it the A? Is it the B?
We can't see B.
Is it the A? Is it the B?
A.
Is it the C? Oh, it's definitely A. It happens to be the first one. So there you go. And that's how you do.